Let's get some top mobile valeting tips from professional valeter Rob Carson of Wax On, Wax Off. A highly experienced valeter, Rob's passionate about giving his customers' cars the best possible finish. So let's find out how he does it.
Preparation is key in my job. If I don't prepare properly, I might as well do it twice. I buy green in 10-litre bottles for cost effectiveness and the reason that it covers about 5 or 6 different areas of the vehicle. So as a business, you need cost effective products that work. This works. It degreases, it cleans soft top roofs, dashboards, seats, all at different ratios, and for the severity of contamination. It's a great product. One bottle does it all. You use your hands for everything you do in valeting. My first tip would be always wear a pair of gloves. The products are for cars, not skin. It's as simple as that. Also, when spraying products out of bottles, you're not that close that a bit of wind cannot blow some back into your eyes or your face. So eye protection, and in some cases face protection, mouth protection masks are vital. These products are designed for cars, not humans, so take that extra time to protect yourself. If you're doing it as a business as well, you've got trailing cables, get a rubber strip that covers the cable to stop public tripping over. Also, another tip, people sometimes forget about this, you're wearing jewellery, you wear watches, rings, take them off. You will kick yourself if you scratch your car. Your pride and joy on a Sunday afternoon from a thing that could take seconds. I have to respect the client's wishes, say if they've just had a block paved drive and they just don't want it staining. So I aim to find products that will work but also not waste. So the thicker the product, i.e. gel based product, is really good. So I was working on the wheels, Rim 7 from Scholl, ideal. It sprays on and it sticks and it doesn't run everywhere, but it's still doing the job that I need it to do, which also means there's less wastage. And it's like when you do the glass last, so when you've polished the car, you don't want any overspray or any running product onto the bodywork. Again, if you go for the ice glass cleaner from Scholl, it sticks and it gives you enough time to rub in and get the desired finish on the glass. Ultimately, I'd love it where it is overcast, warm, slight breeze sometimes. That'd be perfect every day, but as we know, living here, we don't get that. We can have rain, hot weather, cold, freezing. Having a varied amount of products on board is key for me. So possibly if it's drizzle, like drizzle, I need to wax something, coat something, I can use Scholl Concept Neo, which can be used in a light drizzle and has no effect on the finish that it produces. But ultimately it can be used in warmer climates on paintwork that is slightly warmer. It's a quick liquid product that works. If you want to use a wax paste, polish paste product, I would go for W6 Plus because I know it works in the higher temperature environment that we potentially have, and it ultimately finishes to a high standard that you will wish to aim for. The key, I guess, is the depth of the damage on the car, the scratch. There's products on the market from Scholl that cover a range of light scratches to deep scratches and swirls. And if you use one of their pucks, a little bit of correct compound, a little bit of rubbing, and the scratch can be removed. You don't have to think the worst and have to have it machined. These things can be corrected at home, on your drive, by yourself with the correct products. Every environment is different and every location is different. People live with drives with gravel, with tarmac, with grass, with leaves and dust. You have to evaluate every situation on arrival. One of the key things for me is debris kicking up off the ground when cleaning the wheels. We all try not to touch the floor, but you know, we're not perfect. So I place all 4 wheels on mats, and no stones, no debris will kick up and hit the car. Ultimately as well, when you go down to clean wheels, you've got a nice soft padding for your knees and it's comfortable and you can get right in there and get a good clean wheel. Machine polishing outside is absolutely fine. Don't believe the rumours that you can't do it. The key is common sense. Temperature wise, if it's really hot, again look for the shade, but if it's warm you can use S20 black on your bodywork. It stays moist, it doesn't dry out, so you can finish the panel in hand, wipe off with ease and still get the same results. One of the things I like to do for the client is to put patterns in the carpets, the floor mats, so whether it's stripes or shapes or logos. I just think that instead of opening the car to a boring mat, it's nice to see a few patterns. It shows that I paid attention to detail and it makes them smile. It's all part of the service. As soon as I step out of the van into the client's house or property, I want them to see that I look smart, respectable, and I'm here to do a job, and they've invested within a proper business. I think you've got to treat everyone with respect, their cars, their property. It doesn't matter if it's a Mini or a Maserati. A car is a car and a job is a job, and everyone gets treated the same.